this video, we're going to cover the muscles of the legs. We're going to start with the anterior superior portion of the leg, and we're going to start with the inner thigh, also known as the inner thigh. The innermost part of the thigh is called the gracilis, and behind the gracilis you have the adductor longus. Right beneath that, if you can see the muscle fibers going this way, this is called the adductor brevis. Now I'm saying adductor, A-D-D, adductor brevis, and adductor magnus. On the other side of the gracilis, right here, is the adductor longus. Okay, and then let's go ahead and put this muscle on. This strap-like muscle is called the sartorius. Sartorius. And then, if we flip here to the front portion of the thigh, this muscle here is called the rectus femoris. In the more medial portion of the leg, this is called the vastus medialis. And over here, this muscle is called the vastus lateralis. Underneath the rectus femoris is called the vastus intermedius. And the rectus femoris, the vastus medialis, the vastus lateralis, and the vastus intermedialis are all known as the quadriceps or the quadriceps femoris. Okay, let's move to our little model now. It's a little easier to see on him. This is the gluteus maximus, and over to the side is the gluteus medius. Let's move back to the larger model. Okay. And I'm going to just flip him over. Thank you. The back portion of the leg, I'm going to start right here. This muscle is the biceps femoris. This muscle right here, this bigger guy, is semitendinosus. And if you could see the little guy going right here on the semitendinosus, this is the semimembranosus. So the biceps femoris, the semitendinosus, and the semimembranosus, all three of these make up the hamstrings. And let's move a little further down. Turn him back over. Losing a muscle there. Right here, this muscle is known as the fibularis longus. Right here. And then moving this way, this one is known as the tibialis anterior. Looks like it's going towards the big toe. And let's flip him over. Let's go to the calf muscles. And we're losing another muscle. Thank you. Okay. These muscles right here are known as the gastrocnemius muscles, or the calf muscles. This one right here is called the lateral head of the gastrocnemius, and the one in the more interior is the medial head of the gastrocnemius. So both of these make up the calf muscle or the gastrocnemius. Now if we turn this a little to the side, you'll notice a muscle right here, not including the Achilles tendon, but this one right here is called the soleus. So the soleus and the gastrocnemius make up the triceps surae.